Hi, I'm John, and I like to relax.
He really does. And I'm Tammy, and I like to explore.
She really does.
And I'm Austin, and I like to repeat.
He really does.
And together we are Relax, Explore, Repeat. Hi guys, today we're taking the North Cascade National Park scenic drive. It's Highway 20. We're headed east along the Skagit River on our way to Diablo Lake to check it out. So stay with us and take in some beautiful scenery. We decided to take a scenic drive today and we forgot our dash cam. So we can't really actually record the scenic part of the drive. I pulled over here. It's kind of hard to see. The river is really pretty green color. There's mountains in the background. This is our first hike, a 300-foot long boardwalk with a view of some mountains maybe on a clear day. You can see them. So this is what we're gonna do first. And this is the boardwalk. Nice easy walk, nice easy stroll. Let's go. Here we are. This is the kind of hike I like. And there's a view of the Picket Range. These are the Picket snowfields. I see that. Chopping block on the left, then the Twin Needles, then the Rake, then Mount Terror, 8,151 feet. Mount Degenhard, 8,000 feet. The Pyramid at 7,920 feet. Inspiration Peak, which is kind of in the clouds right now. East Towers, which I can't really see either because of the clouds. That's 7,600 feet. Yeah, she said that it's not always visible, I guess because of cloud cover or fog or whatever, but we got a good day, I guess, to see it, and that means you get to see it too. Pull off area has a nice view of the river and the water, some rapid. If you follow the path down to the water, you can get a much better view. Absolutely beautiful, isn't she? This trail is called Trail of the Cedars. It starts with a suspension bridge and winds around through some old growth cedars. So here we go. All right, here we go across the suspension bridge over the pretty green waters of the Skagit River. Bouncy. Skagit River. Very bouncy suspension bridge. Yes, you can feel it when you walk. Oh. Flooding in the Skagit Valley. at this. There we go, right down to the water's edge. That pretty green water up close. There's the bridge we were just on. Yes, most tranquil. It's a pretty good size. Old growth. Whoa. Way up there. It's got a hollow spot in the trunk. I smell cookies. You smell cookies baking? You smell cookies baking, Austin? Austin's getting excited now. He thinks the Keebler elves are inside there baking cookies. Well, that about scared the bejeepers out of me. Was that a Sasquatch? Is that what a Sasquatch sounds like? Whew, that was loud. Yeah, Sasquatch alarm. Sasquatch sighting alarm. We're lost. It's really pretty. All the moss and the ferns. Pretty old stump here. Counts. What is it? Yeah, about 700. 700 years old. I counted. That's cool. I guess it's a cool looking slug. Maybe it's just a regular looking slug. Very dark coloration. This is the North Cascades black slug. I don't know, I'm just making stuff up. Wow. Talk about a snail space, or a slug space, maybe. The rivers up here in the Pacific Northwest vary drastically from the muddy, ugly Missouri River back home. Water up here is beautiful. Yes, Mr. Goofball making the bridge jump. Seems like around every corner there's another breathtaking view. There's a spillway. This is the Gorge Creek Overlook Trail. It's a short one. It's paved. You can continue on farther to different overlooks. We may just stop at the first one. Wow. Got a glimpse of it. It's amazing. There's some water falling. What, Tammy? Water falling? Here's another view. So we're gonna go ahead and walk to the next outlook platform. It's a paved trail with a handrail, so shouldn't be too tough. I like these moss covered rocks. There's that pretty green water. I'll bet a river Sasquatch did that. That's probably a formation put there by Sasquatch, marked in territory, right below the falls over there. That pretty green color makes me want to jump in. Tammy said the North Cascade National Park is the least visited of all the national parks, which kind of bewilders me. We've only been to a few though, but from what I've seen, this one's beautiful. I don't know why it'd be the least visited. Pretty amazing. So this looks like a nice place for a picnic. So we're gonna stop and have a picnic. Eat our lunch before we head towards Diablo Lake. "71 degrees, another day, another lunch by the river. Awesome. Austin said that's the Devil's Butt Crack over there. Just downstream from Lake Diablo is Devil's Butt Crack. Look at that. Daisies. Pretty green water. Where'd it go? Pretty green water. And waterfall. This place has it all. There we go. Daisy and waterfalls and green water all in the same shot. That's what I'm talking about.
For those of you who don't know, daisies are John's favorite flower.
Aww. That's a pretty waterfall. Hey, we're up pretty high. Tammy's freaking out. She almost doesn't like this waterfall because of the bridge she had to stand on to look at it. Down, you see it? You can see this one from pretty much top to bottom, from the origins all the way down to the river. Yeah, this is nice. Wind died down a little bit. Very beautiful up here. Yep, told you it was windy up here. Here's a bumpy map of the mountains and the lakes, the valleys. Topographical, I believe is what it's called. That is Pyramid Peak. And that's Colonial Peak. 7,051 feet. All right, this is the Washington Pass overlook. It's a very rocky mountain. Are there even Rocky Mountains? Oh.
Maybe.
No. There's snow.
I think these are the Cascade Mountains.
Yes, these are Cascade Mountains. Some of them are very rocky though. And there's a pretty view. Worth the hike up the closed road. What do you see? Oh, I thought you saw a Sasquatch. We're in Winthrop, Washington, a town of 394 people. Kind of an Old West looking town. There's a boardwalk around the town, little shops, and very 1800s looking. We're gonna walk around and explore. We were up in the mountains previously. Coming down the mountain, we could feel the temperature go up. It was 85 degrees when we got down here, which is the warmest temperature we've had to endure for quite a while. Every storefront in town looks like an Old West storefront. Got your kitchen posts out front. There's a little covered bridge down here. Oh, there's a reason for the bridge. There's a creek. Carlos 1800 Mexican Grill and Cantina. Old Schoolhouse Brewery. We were just over there in front of. Merchandise. It's probably the coolest gas station I've seen.